Alrighty guys, we're going to go ahead and review Kick the Buddy Forever app on Android. It's trending up there, so I wanted to take a look at it, and it's a pretty cool game. You get to kick the crap out of this little guy here. It's kind of weird. It's a weird game. It's 4.5 out of 5 stars. It's been downloaded quite a few times, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right in and take a look at it. So here it is. It takes a while to load up. I don't know if it's just my phone. Let me know, guys, if your phone loads up a little bit faster if you decide to play it too. But it's taking a while here in the beginning. But it should pop up here in just a bit. Alright, so here we are. He comes in a box, and then you get to beat him up. So it's telling you right there the instructions to beat him up. So we're going to go ahead and tap him. So you just tap them and just beat them up. Kind of weird, huh? Look at that. He's got black eyes and everything now. He's got a cast on. Boom, 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 boom. So first you get to beat him up with your finger, but then later you get some weapons. So let's see what we got. KO. And then we should get some weapons now. Let's see. So continue. And let's see what we get. Cool. So here you get to pick a random weapon. Let's select this. Oh, we just get coins. Ah, man, I wanted a weapon. We're going to have to keep using our fingers here. So let's just beat them up really fast so we can get a weapon later. Alright, so let's keep beating him up, guys. I'm using 2 fingers. I recommend you use 2 fingers and tap it really fast. Cool. Alright, let's see if we can get a weapon now. So hit continue. Alright. Pick this one here. Oh yeah, we get grenades. We're gonna use a grenade on this guy now. Alright. Alright, here we go. Grenades time. Oh, come on, what the heck. There we go, there goes the grenade. Kaboom! Bam, 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 bam. Look at all those grenades. Excuse me. So many grenades that my phone goes slow. Alright. This is actually pretty fun, guys. This is pretty cool. I can see this is a total time waster. Alright. We still got grenades, huh? Oh, I thought we were gonna get some more weapons. Kaboom! Let's put a bunch of grenades on him again. Kaboom! Kind of feel bad for the guy, you know, blowing the heck out of him. Kick Pinata? Okay. Nah. That's an ad right there, I'm pretty sure. Alright, what the heck? I thought we could get some more stuff. Let's go to stuff here. Ah, firearms. Let's see. So we got 779 of coins, so let's get oh, they got a free M16. Get a free weapon. Let's get the Beretta. Alright, let's shoot them up. Here comes a UFO. Cool. So we got the gun right here. So you gotta hold it on the side and then just tap. Bam, 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 bam. It bounces through the box. All right, let's continue shooting this guy. If you put a finger on each side of your phone, you can actually shoot with 2 guns. Oh shoot, you can actually do 3. As many fingers as you could put on there. Check this out. So I have 4 fingers on my phone right now. Check that out. That's pretty funny. Alrighty. So it looks like an ad is popping up right now. Just as expected, you know. I expected an ad to come up anytime. Just like any other free game, that's what happens. So it's a pretty fun game to play, guys. Alright, now it's time to review this game. I'm going to give it a 4 out of 5. I was going to actually give it a 5 out of 5, but because that ad popped up in that last second right there, man, I couldn't give it a 5. You know, it kind of got into the gameplay there. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Let me know if you like this game, if you like to play it all the time. I'm probably going to play it during my break or my lunch at work, you know, so the time passes by a lot faster. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you soon in one of my other videos.